So you wanna push me, take my edges away and try to make me something different. You think you can mold me like I'm made of clay and erase all my innocence. Don't put me in a box, cause my soul's all I got and I ain't getting another one. Oh, I may feel alive, but I'm not sorry, I'm not worried, I'm not ashamed to be the girl I am. I can't hide it, not trying to fight it, I'm just doing the very best that I can. You hold me so light and apologize for what's inside of me, but I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. I'm not sorry. No, I'm not sorry. So go ahead and hate me.